Arwengora yaye, kila kole kurwengora yaye, amwaliganie governor ya Kisii, His Excellency Sen Arati. Biamono.
Mheshimiwa Onyonka, I want to say that lero naro lirenga ekerasi na wakiama chikoko ngara kini waitira matemu. Ese governor yane Simba abagani mwezi mora your lordship father abadawa mora ekwaya imbwate chirugu komichino abagani bonse pe. Ningependa kwanza kuambia familia ya mzee Opore kuwa nimekuja hapa kwangu binafsi kama senator wa Kisii County na kijana wa mzee Onyonka ambaye alikuwa rafiki wa mzee Opore. Kwa hivyo naleta rambirambi zangu. Mama, tunajuana, I know all of you. I want to plead with you. I'm on my knees. There's nobody who's gonna love you. You must learn to love yourself. And you must learn to forgive each other. That is how you survive when you are without parents. I really plead with you. Our fathers died and we are orphans. But you try, and I beg you, use the church, keep talking. You are all smart. I know all of you. Moteme, muesike, murende lieta, diyo mwakoyo. Egendo yakabere. Egasiane ere very simple. Governor, lero tindugo criticize, kiegara ningo sigete. Egendo yokanta que tengo tebie. Emiaka una fada te banerengere. Aetata kuna ma kolega asi egasi ayo korrekana, we will work with you. You win a second term. We have no issue. You know you are my friend. I criticize you, but I don't hate you. There's a difference, you know. I'm sure you know. Number two, again, tonga teba umbati, jua. Governor naye no kwale, Steve naye nkwale ngo. Ekere mwachiete Kakamega, ruta abateba nge airport yeirwe. Tari inche na atenete nga motebi toba soko kuni airport yeyo. Ngwa kanete. Nendo ikaranse. Karansa. Your Excellency no kwale. Bosi pi no barenge. Onetayo tenera te viruto. Tige hapo tiyo. Ilcheweka na mtebedi nyasaima. Onchoke tarengo ongu mbuwa chiete. Towana nile. Ege ento ya kabere. Steve Minto wakwandire kurunyamira